Let's see how to use the graph toggling to explain the concept of intersections of two sets. We assume here we have a set A, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. So we have a set B, which contains 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. When we put A and B together, we know the common part is 4, 5. So that would be the intersection. And then we know the common part is element which has 4 and 5. So this will be the common part, and which will be the intersection of AB. So it's quite easy to use the graph toggling to explain the intersection of two sets here. Again, if students do not like to read, and here is the YouTube link, they can click this QR code. All they may do is use the cell phone camera to scan on this QR code, and then the video lecture will jump out from their cell phone to explain the definition or the concept of the intersection between sets A and B. There are some special cases students sometimes get confused. One is the mutually exclusive and some special cases for the intersection. We see right here two sets set in this way, A and B. There is no common part. So the two sets in this way, we may say then two sets are mutually exclusive, set A and B. So we then write the intersection of A and B is empty. There is nothing in common. Okay, so these two sets are again mutually exclusive. But when this set gets closer to A, there is a common point, which is point A right here. Let's say this point is a point, because this big circle is tangent to the smaller circle. We say the common part is a single point, so a point. And when they get even closer, then we say the common part between A and B is this overlapped part. That's the intersection. When they move even closer, the common part gets bigger and bigger. That's the intersection part gets bigger and bigger. There is a case is that B can get into A completely. So in this case, the common part of A and B is actually set B, because they all B sets inside A. So the common part will be between A and B will be B. So that will answer this question. Okay? Because here we then said when B is a subset of A, what is the common part? Students may get confused. With this animation is easy to understand. So here, then there's the power of animation. Again, students may click this YouTube link from QR code, or they may use a cell phone camera to scan this QR code. The video lecture will show up on their cell phone to explain this part. Okay, I'll see you next time.